Hello everyone, this is Karan here. You are welcome to Tech Karan YouTube channel, and today in this video I'm going to show you the most important and one of the mostly discussed topic in Xiaomi Redmi Note 8 device, that which is the best ever gaming room for our Xiaomi Redmi Note 8 device. I got so many comments, I got so many DMs regarding to find out which is the best ever gaming room for this device, as there are many gamers available for in this device and almost in every Android. So I thought I should make a video on which is the best ever gaming room for our device. I'm not a gamer, so I got help from someone. I will show you how I get to know that this is the best ever gaming room and which is the best ever gaming room. I'll show you everything, so make sure you watch this video till the end. Now let's get straight to the video. And here it is. The name is Pixel Experience Plus Kinko 9.0 2019, 27th of December. This is the unofficial build of Pixel Experience Plus ROM based on Android 9 with security patch of 5th of December 2019. Yes, this ROM is the best ever ROM for gaming on your device, and let me show you. You can play PUBG, you can play COD, you can play almost any game without any bugs, without any frame drops, and with great quality. And sorry, I already told you that I'm not a gamer, so I cannot test it, and if I test it I cannot show you properly about what are the things you need to know and what are the things I can show you. So I will tell you in Instagram. I have my subscriber available. The name is Joel Espena Delta, and he tested something on almost all custom ROMs, and here he told me about from these videos that Pixel Experience Plus is the ROM which you can use as your daily driver, and if you want to use for gaming, if you want to use for without bugs and etc., you can use this custom ROM, and the link for this video is in description. You can go and check it out. My review also, I already made a video on this custom ROM. Wait, let me show you. If you go on YouTube, wait, I will tell you that you will get my video in search results on very soon, very top, not very top, but almost in top 3 or top 4 I think. And here it is. This is the thing I was asking, this I was telling you. Pixel Experience Plus, this was the first build, and the second build is this, and link for the second build is available in the description. The first build got some bugs like you need genome kernel, but in the second build which I am using right now, wait, let me show you. This is the build I am using now. This is the second build I am using, and this has no bugs. It has genome kernel by default, so you will not see any errors. And yes, and what are the features in this custom ROM? Let us briefly review everything in this video. In this ROM, as you know, network and internet, everything is almost same, and the battery backup is great. I have tested this ROM and you get great battery backup, no issues at all. In display, you have all these settings available which you can customize. And sorry if I will not show you all settings because the video would be so long, and you can try this custom ROM if you want. This is your choice, and I just told you that this is the custom ROM we were waiting for, and this is the ROM for gamers. If you want gaming ROM, then this ROM is for you. You can use this ROM as your daily driver also. And how to install this ROM? There is a very simple step. Wait, let me show you how you can install this custom ROM. Firstly, boot into custom recovery. I recommend you to use pitch black custom recovery, and if you want to use any other custom recovery, that's your choice, but I will recommend you to use pitch black custom recovery. Just move on to pitch black recovery, and as always, I am not responsible for anything happens to your device, so make sure you have backed up your data and back up your everything. Simply move on to recovery and go to wipe section. Advanced wipe, dalve cache system vendor data. Okay, then simply swipe to wipe. Now just go back and go to install button. Locate where you have downloaded your file and then select this, simply swipe to confirm flash, and then simply reboot your system, and that's it. You get the Google Apps pre-included in this, so you no need to flash Google Apps also. This was all from today's video. I hope you like it, and I hope that you get to know about the best ever gaming ROM for Xiaomi Redmi Note 8. That's all from today's video. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Goodbye.